Well, I woke up this morning, sun shining down, looked out my window, not a stitch to be found. My neighbors are grinning, breeze feeling fine. They got no laundry, wish that life was mine. 'Cause nudists are the only folks who got their laundry done. No washing, no drying, just free and fun. While I'm here, sorting colors from my whites, they're basking naked in the sunlight. Jeans and jackets, my socks in a bunch. My dryer's broken, I heard a crunch. But those nudists, they just laugh and stroll, while I'm losing quarters at the laundromat toll. Shirts, no matching their socks. Their closet's just sandals and maybe a box. Oh, to live that life so wonderfully sparse. My laundry day wouldn't be such a farce. That's it. Nudists are the only folks who got their laundry done. They smile and they giggle under the sun. Detergents, no bleaches to rinse away, just living life the natural way. So next time you see me, don't be stunned if I'm walking around like my laundry's done. Nudist at heart, now I see the light. Clothes in the trash, I'm feeling alright.